Alright guys, car doctor here. We got a 2011 Subaru Legacy right here. I think it's a Legacy. Let me just take a look at it. So rear confirmed. It's my friend's car. Okay, Impreza. Subaru Impreza. I thought it was a Legacy. Legacy is bigger. Anyways, it's making a loud sound. So what I did was I got my stethoscope here. We're gonna start up the car and we're gonna listen to this. And I already checked it out. It's kind of coming right over here, from this pulley. And I also hear noise right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start up the car, and after that, once we do listen to it with this, we're still gonna take off the belt and spin the pulleys, and you will hear the bearing on those pulleys. Anyways, ooh, I'm hearing a lot of noises already. There you go. Super loud. Right there. Definitely. Noise is coming from here, but a lot less. It could be the noise moving, traveling from here to here. So the noise is traveling from one to another pulley, but sometimes it's a good idea to change the pulley, belt everything together. So let's take off the belt and give it a shot. So we got rid of the belt, and check this out. This pulley is smooth, the tensioner is smooth, so we're only gonna change one pulley and belt for my friend Zabi here, and he's gonna buy me a sandwich at Jamshid store. And now, to change this pulley out, what you're gonna do is you wanna get your wrench, put it right on top of it, and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, and this baby will come loose. Once it's loose, I always like to work on cars that are hot. So this pulley, the bearing is bad, so we're just gonna get a new pulley and put that baby on, and we're gonna reroute new belt, and bada bing bada boom, there you go. The pulley's out. We're just gonna let it sit here. Meanwhile, I gotta do oil change, but nothing else has a play in it, so make sure you check them all, and that's it. So let's go and wait for the pieces, and then we'll finish the job together. So we got ourselves a pulley. It came in this Gates box. That's the brand, Gates. That's the pulley, and this is the pulley outside. And then we got the belt here and the belt number. Hopefully this is correct. And Gates makes that as well. But it was hard for me to get these pieces. But even though this pulley looks different, but this is aftermarket stuff. But as long as the size is the same, the inside outside is the same, we should be able to put this guy right here just like this. And let's see how this guy works. So hopefully we don't have issue with this little guy sitting right there. But anyways, we do need to put this baby in there, and let's see how it sounds afterwards. So we'll take this little guy. So your pulley is gonna sit onto that little groove right there in there. So make sure that centers out, and you can always move it around as you work on it. So let's catch a couple of threads. Once we catch the couple of threads, let's put this pulley on so it sits right there. And let's get this baby all the way in. And we're gonna tighten this guy up. So as we spin, there's no noise. This thing is not rubbing against it. So let's take our wrench here. So we're gonna tighten this guy up. So don't go crazy. You don't want to break this guy. Make sure you get a torque wrench if you want to do it. If you don't have the hand feel. So I'm gonna just hand tighten this. And I do have a good hand feeling, and that's it. It's not going anywhere. And again, spin, 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 spin. No noises whatsoever. Now we're gonna take our belt and use the diagram that earlier we drew. Make sure you draw a diagram so you know how everything goes. So once the job is completed, there's no noise, and that's the pulley we changed. Simple and easy.